Calibry 3D scanners are used in a wide range of applications, from art and medicine to reverse engineering. The built-in screen makes it easy to scan objects even in challenging environments. And patented algorithms produce a dense point cloud. Calibry Nest software, which is used for processing scan data and editing polygonal models, offers the users a wide range of tools to satisfy even the most demanding professionals. In this video, we will tell you about one of these tools, which in our opinion makes it much easier to process models both for final use and for later application in printing or reverse engineering. This tool is Hide Selected. Let's see how it works and how to use this tool competently on 3 examples. So let's start from the very basic sample. Here we have an excellent scan of a vase. We are not satisfied with the polygonal mesh inside the vase, which turned out to be uneven. We want to cut off this extra data. To get better access to the surfaces inside the vase, we need to select the outer parts of the model and hide them. In this case, it is easiest to hide the neck of the vase first, after which the outer part will no longer touch the inner part and it will be easy to select it with a magic wand and hide it too. That's good. This way we get access to hard-to-reach surfaces that can be edited. Now we can evenly trim the inner edge of the vase neck, thus giving our model a neater look. The L-shaped pipe is a bit more difficult than the vase, as the uneven edge of the scan is deep inside and almost at the joint. As shown earlier, hiding can be done in stages. It's best to start by simply selecting parts that we don't need and don't want to affect during editing. You could use one-sided marquee brush to gradually highlight the surfaces you want to hide. Unfortunately, on some models, this can be laborious and time-consuming. In addition, some parts may be inadvertently underselected and damaged during editing. Instead, it's possible to separate the hidden and editable surfaces by hiding one of them. It's best to do so. After making sure that the outer areas are hidden, select the rough edges and press Delete. If nothing is selected on the model, the button Hide Selected changes its shape and function to Show Hidden. Click it and all hidden surfaces will be shown again, like this. In the third example, we need to edit out some rough edges inside the fan sockets. But how to get access to these internal areas of the model? As we've shown previously, it can be done by hiding parts of the object step by step until the rough mesh is exposed. First of all, let's hide the fan blades and the outer rim. The easiest way to do so is by selecting the whole fan using any selection tool, and then deselecting the central part with a double-sided brush while holding a Control key. Great! Selected areas can now be hidden by pressing Hide Selected button. Now let's select the inner area of the central part using a double-sided brush and then hide it as well. As you can see, the upper surface of the fan is now separated from the base. They are not touching each other, which is exactly what we need. Now we can use the magic wand to easily select the upper surface and then hide it too, thus gaining access to the uneven edges. All we need to do now is to select rough areas with lasso tool and hit delete to remove them. After that, the hidden areas can be shown again by using the same Hide Selected button. If nothing is selected, the button changes its name to Show Hidden. With Calibry 3D scanners and the accompanying Calibry Nest software, you can solve a wide array of challenging situations. To learn more about scan data processing tools, check out our manual and tutorials on our website.